Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you this amazing website that I just launched today by 12 p.m. today. So right, as you can see the name Monidex. So as you can see, embracing dreams to financial growth. So this platform, by since the platform have been launched by the platform have been paying massively, and people have been cashing out from this platform. So that's why I record video by showing you, so that you can make money with this platform as fast as possible. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically, what I did in the internet that I made videos on how to make money online. What I do is I try this online. If I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys, like this one right here. That's so that I can do the same thing that I'm doing and get the exact same results. So all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So right, if you just check right, you can see Monidex is a web-based development and associated program, mutually worked by very much experienced and financial experts and abroad business visionaries. So right here, if I just scroll down right here, and you can see how it works. You can see one is just a one-time payment of 3,000 naira, and after that you'll be given the 2,000 naira as a sign-up bonus. If you register with 3,000 naira after registration, you'll be given a 2,000 naira as a sign-up bonus. So right here, and on Monidex, if you log in daily, you're gonna be getting 200 naira. So just by logging in, like as you used to log in on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or other social media, you'll be getting 200 naira. And if you share sponsor post, let me just click on this learn more, so that you will see what I'm telling you about right here. Okay, it actually take me to their YouTube. So if you log in, so if you share sponsor post, like if you know about Bismart, so you can know that it's just similar to Bismart, but just that this one pay higher than Bismart. So if you share sponsored post, you're gonna be earning 300 naira. This means that on Monidex you'll be earning 500 naira every day. So you'll be earning 500 naira every day. So if you refer someone, that is when somebody register under your link, you'll be getting 2,000 naira. So an indirect referral, those um when your friends invite their friends, you'll be earning 200 naira. So that's how this site works. So, and if you just come down right here, you can see. So if you want to know more about it, just click on this number. So you're gonna take you to their YouTube channel. So right here, if you just click on this, okay, just if you come back, you can see it like this. You can see like a welcome bonus, 2,000 naira, referral bonus. That is when you refer someone, 2,000 naira, login daily bonus, 200 naira, indirect referral, 200 naira, pure post, that is sponsor post, 300 naira, and minimum withdrawal right here is 2,000 naira, and registration fee is 3,000 naira. So if you are interested in the Monidex, just DM me on WhatsApp. As you can see my number on the screen right here, just DM me on WhatsApp for registration and coupon code. So I'll be there for you. So my WhatsApp link will be down there in the description. So just go there, click it, and let me know if you are interested to make money on this Monidex. So right here, if I just click on this get started. So if I just click on this, you can see just right here, you can see create an account. Just put your full name, username, email address, password, phone number. This one right here, you can see activation. This one right here is your coupon code. After that, you just click on this create account. So but I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link in the description, so you can just contact me for everything. I work with step by step. So after a successful sign up, just come right here and put your username and password. After that, just click on login. So as you can see me do it right here, so that you're gonna see it. So right here, you can see how the dashboard look like. Hello, video is welcome. So right here, you can see, if I just scroll down right here, you can see my earnings right here. So right, you can see active earn right here, 2,000 M, which is equivalent to 2,000 naira right here. This one 4,000 naira right here. Today that this side is paying massively. Let's go to any history right here. You can see that this one, the registration bonus right here is 2,000 naira. Why referral this thing right here is 2,000 naira. So to tell you that the site is paying massively. So right, you can see your referral code right here. Just come right here, copy it. So it's very simple, very simple. This site is just launched today, so you need to register as fast as possible so that you can earn. So if you just come right here, so right here, if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So don't forget to give me a like in this video and share this video so that your friend will make money as well as you're making, your friends are making. Thank you for watching.